Manychat is here to grow your restaurant business like never before. Now with Manychat, your restaurant can increase sales, re-engage your favorite customers, and grow your online reputation entirely on autopilot. Over 7,000 restaurants are already using Manychat to bring in serious revenue. Just ask this pizza parlor that used Manychat to generate an extra $620,000 in sales and generate another 80,000 contacts by integrating messaging automation into their business. Mamma mia! If you aren't working with Manychat, you're missing out on tons of sales and other opportunities to re-engage customers that already love your business. Let me paint a picture for you. You're a restaurant who wants to grow their business. Like everybody else, you're not sure how to get in contact with returning customers. People access your menu using a QR code, but you're not getting their information along the way. You want to invest in marketing to bring in more customers, but you don't know where to start. Maybe you tried running ads before and paid an arm and a leg for no results. Here you go. You couldn't even find time to follow up with the leads you generated, if you generated any. And your online reviews might be struggling. Hopefully some family members have given you 5-star reviews, but maybe somebody else has given not so nice feedback. You have a broken or expensive loyalty program. It's almost impossible for you to keep track of who has bought what. And please, don't tell me you're still using punch cards. What if you could find a solution to help with all this? What if every time a customer opens your menu, you can gather their information and contact them later to make sure they come back? And finally, you'll be able to say goodbye to your 1-star rating. Did you know every time your reputation goes up by a star, your business will experience a 9% increase in revenue? Also, 33% of restaurant customers won't even enter your building if you have less than 4 stars. Stop losing customers because of your reviews and sign up for Manychat today. You can also boost your revenue by up to 15% by installing a loyalty program using Manychat's messenger automation. Now your customers' phones can be loyalty cards. Now there's no need to ask them to install any extra app. You can give birthday coupons or special BOGO rewards for returning customers. And finally, integrate Manychat into your social media accounts to increase engagement and turn your followers into paying customers. Imagine finally seeing an ROI from your social media. Connect with your customers on their favorite channels and keep track of your relationships. Let's see what it would be like if you don't solve this marketing problem. Your business will eventually plateau if you don't keep finding new customers, all the while burning cash and resources while your revenue grows lower and lower. You might even have to close up shop, but thankfully, that doesn't have to happen because you found Manychat. Your business can now take full advantage of a completely done-for-you marketing service. Now you can engage your customers on autopilot, effectively launch a loyalty program, and plug your restaurant with 5-star reviews. If you're interested in seeing these results work for your restaurant, book a free strategy call today at restaurants.manychat.com.